So this is exactly how to catch pals in Palworld. So what we need to do firstly, I'm just gonna show you, we need to mine some of the palladium fragments right here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna equip my stone pickaxe and mine some palladium fragments. You can see I got 4 here. And then I'm gonna run to my workbench here and then create a pal sphere, at least one. I'm just gonna create one here, as you can see, and then acquire it. Now when I have a pal sphere, then what we need to do, we need to find a pal. I believe there is some up here that we can actually catch. So there is one here. So what we need to do firstly is to just hit it one time right here, and then we can catch it here, as you can see, by using what we just got before. And you can see it's 100% correct, like completed now. So I was able to capture it here, as you can see. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.